Master the clock. AM and PM in English. Hello learners. Welcome to our lesson today. We're diving into the world of telling time in English, and in this particular session, we're going to explore how we abbreviate and use AM and PM when we read and write time. This is a crucial skill when it comes to navigating through the English-speaking world. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Remember, practice makes perfect. Before we jump into abbreviations, let's understand what AM and PM stand for. AM is short for the Latin phrase, ante meridiem, which means before midday, and PM stands for post meridiem, meaning after midday. So, basically, AM and PM are used to distinguish the time of day, with AM for the morning hours and PM for the afternoon and evening hours. When it comes to abbreviating AM and PM, there are a few rules to follow. Typically, both AM and PM are written in uppercase letters, without periods. You might occasionally see them written with periods, like AM and PM. But this is less common in everyday, informal usage. So, for example, if you want to say it's 7 in the morning, you would write 7 a.m., and if you want to say it's 8 in the evening, you would write 8 p.m. Now that you know what AM and PM stand for and how to abbreviate them, let's see how they are used in sentences. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. My English class begins at 3 p.m. Remember, we do not use in the before AM or PM, but it's common to see in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night, with specific times. For example, I have lunch at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. at night. And there you have it, folks. That was all about abbreviating and using AM and PM when telling time in English. Remember, practice is the key. Try to use these in your everyday conversations and you'll master them in no time. Thanks for joining us in this lesson, and we hope this has been helpful. Keep up the learning, and we'll see you in our next video.